This is the Calabaza squash, known in Venezuela as auyama. It looks like a pumpkin, but it's actually from the squash family. And in my home country, we use it in a lot of soups. See that? Nice and yellow inside. Gonna get some seeds out first. You don't want that stuff in your soup. Now into the pot. I'm gonna cook this auyama with some nice chicken stock. And note that as it cooks, the skin is gonna come loose because it's gonna be very nice and soft. And for a little bit of extra flavor, I'm gonna use the green part of a leek. And every time I was feeling sick when I was a kid, my mom would always put this nice, thick, hearty soup on the stove and automatically made me feel like $1,000,000. And now I'm gonna be making some sofrito. It's like a Latin version of the mirepoix. Some garlic. Oh yeah. A little bit of olive oil. And my veg. This is gonna add so much flavor to the soup. I'm gonna check on my squash. Think it's ready. Let's see. Oh yeah. I know my squash is ready because I can poke it all the way through. But now I'm gonna put it in the bowl. I need for it to cool off before I take the skins because I need to mash it afterwards. Nice and sweet. Good stuff. I think my veggies are ready now. I'm gonna add it to my soup. Nice and flavorful. And now, auyama. It's gonna be nice and sweet, very comforting. And to tie it all together, okay, perfect. See, this is the good consistency for the soup. It's not too liquidy and not too thick. And to finish it off, cilantro. Just like my mom used to make. Nothing more comforting than homemade soup. And I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit of sour cream, just to add a bit of creaminess to the soup. So velvety, nice and sweet. In Venezuela, a great companion for the soup would be some avocado and some plantain chips. Delicious.